My last Serger decided it was done with this sewing life. And so I went ahead and I got myself a new one. Let me tell you about it. I'm Mari with Mari Sews and welcome back. I went ahead and I upgraded my last brother 1034D to the Janome 8002D. My local repair guy actually recommended this machine in particular because he says that he rarely sees them come back, even when they have taken a beating, which he advised me not to do. But it is what he had recommended, and it was within my budget, so I went ahead and I ordered one on Amazon. In case you're interested in looking into this serger in particular for yourself, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Amazon link in the description box below so you can easily find it. But this machine came in, finally. So let me take you through the unboxing. And I don't want to hear no mess about my lucky Wonder Woman slippers. Okay, so grab your knife and open your box. Remember to cut away from your body and not toward yourself. We want to leave any accidental cutting of the limbs to our machine and not the knife. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Just open the box. Get rid of that knife and look inside. What's that, you ask? Instructions. Throw those away. Just kidding. I'll actually read them this time. And get the next thing. Oh, it's a pedal. Hello, tools and needles. Remove the styrofoam, throw it to the ground, say a little prayer for Mother Earth. Sorry, so sorry. And grab your machine. Shake your booty a little bit. Whoop, machine is free. Put it on the chair. And locate the thread cones that went flying. 1. And where's the other one? There it is. 2. Time to put that box aside, rearrange my chair so I can get a better look at this baby. Hello, proud mama to be. Now we have to do the fun job of untangling all of this thread. Watch me work. All right, thread is untangled, and look at this little baby, brand spanking new. Isn't it lovely? Oh look, it tells you what size needles to use. Too bad I was using size 9s in my last one. A little guide like that would have been handy. Loose thread, it'll tighten up as I use it. Oh, red button. I don't know what that red button's for. Red button looks like it wants to get pushed. Okay, I'm not gonna push it. Just touch it a little bit. And, whoa, a hidden compartment with lots of little knobs and moving pieces touching all the knobs. No. Okay, we'll turn those later when you're not watching. Here's more knobs. Now, these are for tension. I know what that's for. That helps you make them tighter, the thread tighter or looser. And then, oh, a hidden door, just like the hidden bookcase door I never got. And inside is a beautiful little colored diagram with how the thread is supposed to go. Hello, colored metal pieces. And then some colored thread pictures. Not sure what all that's about, but I'm sure those instructions will let me know. Over here on the side, we've got this to scrunch fabric or not to scrunch, the turning wheel. There was also a little differential wheel there. Yep. Here's the thread cones again. What is this? Hello, touching everything I can. There's a little button up there. Not sure what it's for. I will be sure to find out. What's this? Scratches? Oh no, just kidding, dog hair. After getting everything unboxed, I was really excited to just start using it. And so I lined up my very next knit projects, got them all cut out, and picked up some scrap pieces of fabric that I was going to use. And well, I got to testing out my serger. First off, let me say, threading this sucker, it was interesting. It's, follow the holes, follow the diagram, everything's going good. And then they're like, put this thread going this way in the little hole that's behind the casing. And you're like, well, if it's behind the casing, how am I supposed to get the thread in there and out when there's like metal machine parts everywhere? Huh? How? Well, I actually had to hop onto YouTube and like find some instructions on how to do this. And it turns out that if you just like pivot that wheel, it pops out on the other side of the machine. You know that like little trap door on the left-hand side? Yes. And then you can just put your thread in there, turn it a little more, it goes in. It actually wasn't all that complicated after I got the hang of it. What was complicated was figuring out this tension. And let me just show you all of the different scraps that I went through trying to figure out how to get this tension to work. Do you see this mess? I mean, on the one side, it looks decent. You flip them over and you're like, whoa, holy nest, what's going on back here, right? I mean, every little scrap piece that I serged looked like that. There was a lot. After fiddling with all the numbers and all the dials and all the wheels, nothing worked. And then I had this thought, and it was like, la! Light shining down, you know, light bulb goes off, one of those moments. Back when I was using my brother machine to serge, I never really used it to actually sew pieces together for years because I couldn't figure out how to get the pieces to lock. And it's because my thread wasn't actually like fully engaged in the tension discs. I didn't know that you had to move that little button over on the top to like get it to get all snug up in there, right? So whenever I would move the dials, it wasn't doing anything. Thinking back on that experience made me think that, I wonder if the thread really isn't engaged in the tension discs. So I went through and I pulled it up real tight against those little dials. My problem was solved. To prove that I got it figured out, here's a little video of me actually using the serger. So now it's time to do my tank top throwdown. I'm going to be just like zipping through them like zip, 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 zip. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna be making these tank tops. So if some of them are looking a little rough, you know, it's because like I got a little serger happy. Hopefully, none of them are gonna be looking as rough as that boot bubble one. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check that video out right over here. And until next time, I sincerely hope that you find joy and have a wonderful day.